Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a quick product spotlight looking at the Yates Merica razor. Well, I'm really excited that we are in production now of the Yates Merica at the Razor Emporium workshop. If you didn't know, last year, 2025, Razor Emporium acquired Yates Precision Manufacturing from Jake Yates out of Pennsylvania. Jake wanted to get out of the wet shaving business and wanted to kind of get a day job in an engineering firm, and I thought there's no way we could let this awesome brand and awesome family of products go by the wayside and disappear. So we acquired not only the intellectual property of Yates, we also acquired one of their machines, one of their CNC machines, and had it brought over on a flatbed truck all the way from Pennsylvania to Arizona. We got a lot of his original tooling and fixturing. Last year we launched the winning razor as the first offering. And so we've got the Merica razor on the machine, and we have produced over 100 so far, and we are getting them up for sale now. I'm very excited. This is a razor that has a history starting back in like 2019 with the Wet Shaving Club. It was like a subscription-based business, and Wet Shaving Club is no longer around, but they'd asked Jake to design a razor that represented America and that was made in the United States out of stainless steel. And so he came up with this. Later on, when the Wet Shaving Club went out of business, Jake actually purchased back the rights for the design and started making it just under his own name. And then when we acquired Yates, that's one of the three models, the winning, the Merica, and the 921. So people ask us a lot about Yates, when are we going to start producing? I'm like, we've been producing. We're just doing it a little bit differently than Jake did, and we don't have 6 different CNC machines. We only have one. We'll get there. Although I don't think he had 6, I think he had 4 at the peak of his business. But it's all about time, guys. It's time on the machines. And there's only so much time in the day. And we don't have a robotic arm that can go in and change it overnight. But so the Merica has been on the machines, and this is made out of 316L stainless steel. It's made right in our shop, and I'm really excited about it. It is offered in 3 finishes originally from Jake. There was the as machine finish, there was a bead blasted or sand blasted version, and then he had what's called a stone wash, which is just like a wet tumbled version. So we're coming out with the blasted and the as machined right off the bat. The stone washing, I have to do one more step to get set up for that, but it should be available here very shortly. It looks a lot like the winning in a lot of ways, but I mean the head geometry is a little bit different. I've been getting more and more into the Yates after we've acquired. Here's the winning over here. The winning is kind of in that same vein as a lot of razors, where the head of the razor almost kind of makes the angle for you. And he actually had this out before the Henson, so this is something that Jake did, where the head is the right angle, and you just kind of get it flat, and away you go. The Merica is a little bit more of a traditional safety razor, but it doesn't have that, and you do have to find the angle a little bit more. But it does have a really cool kind of head design, I thought, that it has this kind of skeletoned out, as you call it, like bottom, the base of the guard has got like this skeleton kind of look where it's been carved away at on the CNC machine. And I actually really like this razor. I've been using it at home a lot to shave with, and it's become one of my favorite razors. I'm not just saying that. I really am being very sincere. It's got a laser engraved American flag logo on top that we've put on. And yeah, it's got a cool handle with a little blade deal, like a little magnet actually. So if you've got a safety razor blade, you can actually hold on to that, this little magnet at the bottom of it. Let's say it's on the counter. Oh, I can't get it, slippery. Just do that. You got it. You got your blade. I always tell people you should take the blade out though between uses, or at least crack the top a little bit. Let some air get in there and breathe so that you don't get the stains. It is 316. It doesn't mean it's rust proof or it can't stain. What's going to happen most times if you get stains is it's going to be your very cheap alloy stainless steel blade depositing onto your fancy handle. So that's why if you crack the head, let some air flow, hopefully you avoid those. If you do get some stains, you can always just take like a toothbrush and some dish detergent. It'll come right off because it's just on the surface. It's not actually in the metal yet. That being said, this is coming on the market for $95 US. It comes in the exact same packaging as the winning. The same exact way Jake did it, with this very simple, humble cardboard box and a very small burlap bag. This is the way Jake did it. We're trying, I always tell my staff and customers, with the Yates brand, we're not trying to push the envelope quite yet with anything and change anything. He had a winning formula. He had a winning, no pun intended, winning set of razor designs between the 921, the Merica, and the winning. And we want to preserve those. We want to honor those. We want to produce them exactly the way Jake did. We're using the same fixtures. We're using the same machine. Jake is still very much involved behind the scenes. Like when we first got these, going, we sent them to Jake for him to look over and use his calipers and make sure that everything we're doing is exactly the way he had originally envisioned, that the integrity of the product is the same. I mean, it's the exact same programs on the machine. We're recalling them from memory. I mean, it's just right there. It's real easy to do. I'm excited. It's coming out for 4th of July. That was no accident, So if you're seeing this video today, happy 4th of July, 250 years of independence, a great country of America. I'm a patriot at heart. There's no line. I can't hide it. I love my country. And I'm really excited that we have the Merica coming out today. So these are on sale as of today. We should be shipping early next week. But yeah, we've got a limited run of, I think, just over 100 so far. So they may sell out over the next couple of days. We'll have to get them back on the machine. But it seems like I'm now seeing why these shops have 2 or 3 machines. You get one going and you're cranking one design and you sell, and then you got to switch over to the other design and move them and sell them. So hopefully soon we'll have to have enough capacity to buy a second CNC machine, but they're not cheap. It's quite the investment. But anywho, I will bring this back for sure for a shave review video, but I am very impressed. It definitely reminds me, if you're familiar with the Rex razors, it's definitely in line with like the Envoy, very similar to that, or maybe like the Edwin Jagger 316. It's definitely a little bit more efficient than like a standard Merkur 34 or something. It's not blade forward. It's a really nice feel. I've been grabbing for it in my bathroom, and I do have a lot of nice razors. I've pretty much all the Rex razors, but I have been grabbing for this one a lot, the Merica. So very excited by it. If you guys have a comment, a question about Yates, about the Merica, about America, tell me below in the comments. I want to hear from you guys. We appreciate you. Thank you. Enjoy your special day out there, and we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.